Hello and welcome to InkThink. My name is Prem Sundaram and I'm the founder and creator of InkThink. Today I'm very happy to present to you our new product and to give you a little bit of a behind the scenes insight into the story behind this new way of thinking. So InkThink didn't really begin as an app. It began as a bit of a frustration and a vision. Like most of you, I have my laptop on my table. I have a nice tablet device like an iPad, a Surface, or a Galaxy tablet. In fact, I have all of them. And I love to take digital notes. And I just wanted a simple to-do list on my computer, on my tablet, as I go through my day to write my tasks and manage them. And no, that doesn't exist. You have to-do lists, which you type, you have PDFs, or you have just simple ink-taking document note apps where you can write all your to-dos, but they're not in any list, they're not organized, you can't move them up and down, you can't do things with them, you can't add a due date. And so this was really very frustrating. And as the founder and creator of NoteDex, which is an index card app, I thought, well, I think I know what my next app's going to be. So at the end of 2025, we began developing this, and we're delighted to be able to present to you the first version here in the beginning of 2026. So as you can see on the screen, we have a digital planner. It is pen first. In fact, you don't type on this app at all, at least not right now. And the idea is that during the day, you can create and add your to-dos, just sketch out your to-dos in the app, and you can take notes. You can also pen a calendar, which was the other thing I really wanted to do, just to draw a calendar to sketch out some dates and some plans ahead of time, again, without using the keyboard, which is very disruptive to your mental flow. So we built this, and the idea behind it really is, as I said, to just have a very simple creative list that you can manage. And so, for example, in this example I show on the screen here, you can see that we have various tasks. I can scroll up and down. I'm showing it on my computer, but I would normally be doing it with my pen. And then I can go actually into the task list itself, where the list is created, and you can scroll up and down and attach items to it. You can attach labels and you can attach due dates, all to these different tasks that you might have. And to add a task into InkThink, you simply just ink at the bottom of the screen here, as you can see here with my mouse. And when you add the task, it is then added to the list. Very simply, when you're taking notes, you don't want to be hassling with, okay, now the device is going to convert the ink to text and it's going to do text recognition, and then it gets it wrong and then you have to fix it. All of that frustration is just very disruptive to your mindful flow. So that's kind of some of the key aspects of InkThink. You'll notice that we have a section for notes. So you basically have note blocks, you can call them. These are small atomic notes that you're creating and capturing. You can also do a calendar, as I mentioned. You can see here we have week view. And the beauty about InkThink and each of these ink objects is that they can then reflow into different views, unlike a traditional handwritten diary or those PDF diaries that you see where you just sketch on them with a pen, but they're dumb. They're not very intelligent. So here you have a month view of the same information, or you can go down to a day view. Okay, so we have different views. And then we finally have, in sort of a spiritual honor of my NoteDex app, we have a canvas where you can also create cards to brainstorm in the app as well. So we have 4 functions: tasks, notes, calendar, and canvas. You have the home page, and you have a quick entry system here where you can just quickly add either a task, a note, or a calendar event. So you can see we have here the InkThink system. As I mentioned, it's the first release, but we think it's fairly feature complete. We also have lots of other pro features where, for example, you can add a due date to a task. And as you can see in the calendar, your tasks then appear in the homepage with the checkbox, so you can know that it's a task item. So you can see your to-dos on your calendar. And we've also got a little scribble doodle pad here. Maybe you're on a phone call or a Zoom call and you just want to take a quick jot down a quick phone number or something like that. So we have all these different areas. So this is InkThink. We like to call this an intelligent ink system. It helps you to be very visual and to capture your information. But primarily, it really solves 3 issues that I was looking to solve. 1, using digital paper, but doing it intelligently and removing any of the friction. So that's sort of how it came about. We'd love you to try it. And we have a special offer that if you buy the app within the first 7 days of trying it, which is a free trial, then you'll actually get the pro subscription for free forever. So it's a really great deal. Just, check out the app if you like it. Do buy it within the first 7 days. And that way you can get all the pro features for free indefinitely. And we'd love to get your feedback. Send us an email if you see any areas that we can improve or suggestions that you might have. Again, thank you so much.